Look. Can you collect them? Try to collect them. Get them. Ruby, she likes to dunk her snout. See, can you get him? Look at this. Isn't this cute? Look at him. Aw, Steve, careful! Careful. Ruby, are you opening that container with your snout again? Silly girl. Oh. That's one way to get ice. You funny boy. You gotta use your mouth, you silly boy. Go get it. Go get it. It's okay. Come here, buddy. Come here. Get it. Look. There you go.